On January 27, 2026, Figure AI officially redefined the boundaries of robotics with the introduction of Helix 02, the most advanced humanoid intelligence model ever created. Building on the foundation of the original Helix system, this second-generation vision language action (VLA) model isn't just a software update. It is a fundamental shift in how machines interact with the physical world. Unlike traditional robots that rely on thousands of lines of rigid C++ code to move a limb or grip a cup, Helix 02 operates on a unified neural network that mirrors human intuition, allowing it to see, reason, and act simultaneously in real time. At the heart of Helix 02 is System 0, a groundbreaking learned full-body controller that replaces over 100,000 lines of manually engineered code. This enables loco-manipulation, the ability for a robot to walk and use its hands as one continuous, fluid behavior. In a historic demonstration, the Helix 2-powered humanoid autonomously emptied and refilled a full-size dishwasher in a messy kitchen environment. This 4-minute task was completed without a single line of pre-programmed script or human intervention, proving that the robot can now handle long-term, complex goals that were previously thought to be years away. Helix 02 brings a new level of tactile intelligence to the Figure 03 hardware. Equipped with palm-mounted cameras and advanced tactile sensors, the model can manipulate tiny, irregular objects even when its own view is obstructed. Whether it is precisely extracting a single pill from a bottle or navigating the cluttered, high-speed environment of a BMW factory line, Helix 02 adapts to its surroundings with 200 Hz precision. This pixels to actions learning means the robot doesn't just follow a path. It understands the physics of the objects it touches, allowing it to handle fragile items as carefully as a human would. The implications of Helix 02 extend far beyond the laboratory. Figure AI has already proven the commercial viability of this system through its massive deployment at BMW Group plant Spartanburg, where its robots contributed to the production of over 30,000 vehicles. Helix 02 is designed to scale this success, featuring a multi-robot collaboration mode that allows 2 units to work together on a shared task without any specific training for that partnership. As we move through 2026, Helix 02 is paving the way for a world where humanoid assistants are no longer sci-fi fantasies, but essential partners in our factories, warehouses, and eventually, our homes.